Let's take a closer look at the attachments that come with the ActivForce device. These are useful tools that make a huge difference in the range of motion and strength assessments. The handheld dynamometer and inclinometer are a go-to for testing both strength and range of motion. Notice the locking mechanism and the two attachments that snap right into place. The arch pad is great for bony areas like shins, elbows, or wrists. You can use it with or without the foam insert. This makes it really versatile for different areas. It also has a detachable surface that's easy to clean. The rounded pad has the same locking mechanism. This can be used for grip strength tests or when dealing with less bony areas that have more mass to them. Here we have the belt plate and the hand straps. The hand strap securely fastens the device to your hand like so. Feed the device under the strap, line the lock, put it on your hand, and you're good to go. Now, there are different straps for different needs, like this longer strap for bigger body parts. The longer strap can be tied around your client's head or attached to their leg or torso when performing measurements. Or if you're testing someone a little stronger than usual, you could use the belt loop plate to anchor the device down and get more accurate measurements. From initial range of motion testing to measuring recovery progress, these versatile attachments will help you completely customize your assessment with precision.